On January 10th, 2010, I opened the new decade with my first video of the year. It was a shop tour. It's crazy to see how much my shop has evolved since then, and it reminds me how much I've evolved in a decade, growing into a much better version of myself. I began this year, 2019, by making a perpetual calendar. I titled it something like, "A Great Way to Remind You of the Relentless Passage of Time." Well, you don't really need a calendar for that, just a YouTube channel. Actually, it's only recently that I've been able to bear looking at my older videos. It feels like, though, kind of the older that they are, the more detached I am from them. It's almost like I'm watching someone other than myself, but I still cringe a lot watching those. But for me, the most interesting part of those really ancient videos is reading through the comments. When I had less than 1,000 subscribers, the comment section was filled with engaging people who were filled with insight, knowledge, and humor. And when I look at the comments on videos I post today, I get that same vibe, except if anything, there's more enthusiasm. So I just wanted to thank all of you for your support, whether you've just now discovered woodworking for mere mortals, or if you've been with me since 2008 when I was just Steve and Marin. This has been a big year for me and the business. My personal goal was to run a marathon, and I did it on March 24th, competing in the Oakland Marathon. It was probably the single greatest personal goal and achievement of my life. Well, it was also one of the most painful. Well, it was so much so that in August, I decided to do it again, and I ran the Santa Rosa Marathon. Training for 16 weeks in order to run 26.2 miles teaches you a lot about life, discipline, and personal confidence. Look, if you ever reach a point in your life where you feel like you need a change, don't be afraid to transform, pivot, do something radical. I mean, 10 years ago, I was literally so out of shape that I couldn't run around the block. Now I'm 53 and I ran a damn marathon. Which brings me to my second goal of 2019, to transform woodworking for mere mortals. In January, I began to shift the format of this channel away from just churning out projects to one focused on providing solid educational content for beginning woodworkers. And I really want to thank all of you for being so supportive of this. This channel feels fresh, and my videos are actually performing better than they have in years. I've also been diving deeper into a more rational, affordable, sustainable approach to woodworking. While the trend is still to acquire more and more tools and to expand shop space, I found myself embracing the opposite even more this year. I've been working really hard to just dial in the Woodworking for Mere Mortals method and teach you how to build awesome projects with less. I can't wait for you to see all the changes I've been making in my shop since June, so I'm gonna kick off 2020 like I did in 2010 with a shop tour. Look for that in mid-January. I've redesigned this entire shop to be kind of a working showcase of small shop strategies, methods, and workflow. And my next online course, the Weekend Workshop, will help you to transform any space, no matter how small, into a functional woodworking shop, even if you have to share it with a car. If you'd like a sneak peek, head over to theweekendworkshop.com and download free plans for the drop-down work center. I'm also including a video walking you through step by step through the first part of building that. Anyway, the course is going to launch on January 15th, and it'll cost 97 bucks. But I don't want to bog this video down with a sales pitch. I'll have a lot more on the course soon. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for the latest updates on that. And thank you all who joined my Weekend Woodworker and Powered Up courses this year. I can't begin to describe how personally rewarding it is to help people build their first projects and to help them discover that they can do things that they never thought possible. I also want to thank all of you who support the show over on Patreon. Your continued support goes a long way in helping me to produce my YouTube content. One of the coolest things about having a YouTube channel is being able to reach people from all over the world. Let me know down in the comments where you are. I think that would be kind of fun to see. Also, let me know if you have any specific goals for the new year, whether it's woodworking, health-wise, or anything else. I'm really looking forward to 2020 and discovering where the next decade will take us. Thanks for watching, everybody.